English Dialogue Studio.
Daily English conversations for learners.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Dialogue Studio. I'm Emma.
And I'm Daniel. We're so happy you're here with us again today.
Today's topic is all about you.
Yes, today we're talking about likes and dislikes.
What you love, what you hate, what you prefer.
This is one of the most common topics in conversation.
When you meet someone new, you ask,
What kind of music do you like?
do you like cooking?
What's your favorite food?
What do you enjoy doing in your free time?
These questions help us find common ground.
When we find things we both like, we connect.
And when we disagree, we learn about each other.
Let's start with the most basic way to express likes.
The simplest structure.
I like plus noun or verb plus ing.
For example, I like coffee. I like reading books. I like watching movies.
Repeat. I like coffee. I like reading books. I like watching movies.
Perfect.
You can also use love for stronger feelings.
I love pizza. I love traveling. I love spending time with my family.
Repeat. I love pizza. I love traveling. I love spending time with my family.
And for things you enjoy a little, use enjoy.
I enjoy cooking on weekends. I enjoy listening to podcasts. I enjoy walking in the park.
Repeat. I enjoy cooking. I enjoy listening to podcasts. I enjoy walking in the park.
Now, let's talk about dislikes.
The simplest way.
I don't like plus noun or verb plus ing.
For example, I don't like spicy food. I don't like waking up early. I don't like waiting in long lines.
Repeat. I don't like spicy food. I don't like waking up early. I don't like waiting in long lines.
For stronger dislikes, use hate.
I hate cold weather. I hate being late. I hate when people are rude.
Repeat. I hate cold weather. I hate being late. I hate when people are rude.
For mild dislikes, use don't really like or not a fan of.
I don't really like reality TV. I'm not a fan of horror movies. I'm not into sports.
Repeat. I don't really like reality TV. I'm not a fan of horror movies. I'm not into sports.
Now let's have a simple conversation about likes and dislikes.
Daniel, what kind of music do you like?
I love rock music, especially classic rock. What about you?
I'm more into pop and indie music. I don't really like heavy metal.
Yeah, heavy metal isn't for everyone. Do you like going to concerts?
I love concerts. Live music is amazing.
Same here. Who's your favorite artist to see live?
I saw Coldplay a few years ago. It was incredible.
Oh, I've heard their shows are spectacular. I'd love to see them someday.
See how one question led to more?
We started with music, then talked about concerts, then favorite artists.
That's how natural conversations flow. Now, let's learn how to ask about likes and dislikes.
Here are some common questions.
Do you like?
What do you think about?
How do you feel about?
What's your favorite?
Are you into?
Repeat. Do you like coffee? What do you think about this movie? How do you feel about spicy food? What's your favorite color? Are you into sports?
Now, let's practice answering these questions.
For do you like coffee, you can say,
Yes, I love coffee. I like it, but not too much. Not really, I prefer tea.
repeat. Yes, I love it. I like it, but not too much. Not really, I prefer tea.
For what do you think about this movie, you can say,
I thought it was great. It was okay, but a little long. I didn't really like it.
repeat. I thought it was great. It was okay, but a little long. I didn't really like it.
Let's have another conversation.
Daniel, how do you feel about spicy food?
I love it. The spicier, the better. What about you?
I'm not a big fan, to be honest. My stomach can't handle it.
That's too bad. You're missing out on some amazing dishes.
I know. I wish I could enjoy it. What's your favorite spicy dish?
Thai green curry for sure. Or really spicy Korean food?
I've heard Korean food is delicious, even the non-spicy parts.
Definitely. We should go to a Korean restaurant sometime. They have options for everyone.
I'd love that.
Great conversation.
We disagreed about spicy food, but we found a solution.
To be honest is a nice phrase to add.
You're missing out means you're not experiencing something good. Now, let's talk about preferences.
Preferences are when you like one thing more than another.
You can use prefer or like better.
I prefer tea to coffee.
I like summer better than winter.
I'd rather stay home than go out.
Repeat. I prefer tea to coffee. I like summer better than winter. I'd rather stay home than go out.
You can also ask about preferences.
Do you prefer cats or dogs?
Which do you like better, movies or books?
Would you rather live in the city or the countryside?
Repeat. Do you prefer cats or dogs? Which do you like better, movies or books? Would you rather live in the city or the countryside?
Let's practice preferences. Emma, which do you prefer, going out or staying in? It depends on my mood. During the week, I prefer staying in, but on weekends, I like going out.
That makes sense. What about restaurants? Do you prefer fancy restaurants or casual places?
Definitely casual. I feel more comfortable and relaxed. You?
Same here. Fancy restaurants are nice for special occasions, but casual is better for every day.
Exactly. And the food is often just as good.
It depends is a very useful phrase.
It means your answer changes based on the situation. Now, let's talk about likes and dislikes in different areas of life.
Food and drinks.
I love Italian food. I'm not a fan of seafood. I can't stand cilantro. I'm addicted to chocolate.
Repeat. I love Italian food. I'm not a fan of seafood. I can't stand cilantro. I'm addicted to chocolate.
Entertainment.
I love watching documentaries. I'm really into true crime podcasts. I don't care for reality TV. I hate spoilers.
Repeat. I love documentaries. I'm into true crime podcasts. I don't care for reality TV. I hate spoilers.
Activities.
I enjoy hiking on weekends. I'm not very sporty. I love trying new hobbies. I hate doing laundry.
Repeat. I enjoy hiking. I'm not very sporty. I love trying new hobbies. I hate doing laundry.
People and personality.
I like people who are honest. I can't stand rude people. I love being around positive people. I don't like it when people interrupt.
Repeat. I like honest people. I can't stand rude people. I love positive people. I don't like when people interrupt.
Let's have a longer conversation about various likes and dislikes.
Daniel, what's your favorite way to spend a day off?
Oh, that's easy. Sleeping in, making a big breakfast, then maybe going for a hike if the weather's nice.
That sounds perfect. What about rainy days?
Rainy days are for staying inside, watching movies and reading. I love reading on rainy days.
What kind of books do you like?
Mostly science fiction and mystery. I love getting lost in another world. You?
I prefer historical fiction and biographies. I like learning about real people and events.
That's cool. Do you like audiobooks or do you prefer reading?
I prefer reading, but I listen to audiobooks on my commute. It makes traffic more bearable.
I hate traffic too. It's the worst part of living in a city.
Agreed. Well, at least we have books and podcasts to survive it. Great conversation.
We talked about days off, weather, books, and traffic.
Lots of likes and dislikes in one chat.
Now, let's learn how to agree and disagree politely.
When you agree with someone's like or dislike, you can say, "Me too. Same here. I feel the same way. I couldn't agree more."
Repeat. Me too. Same here. I feel the same way. I couldn't agree more.
When you disagree, be polite.
Really? I actually like it. That's interesting. I feel differently. I see your point, but I prefer different strokes for different folks.
Different strokes for different folks means people have different tastes. Really, I actually like it. That's interesting. I feel differently. I see your point, but I prefer different strokes for different folks.
Let's practice agreeing and disagreeing.
I love cold weather. It's so cozy.
Really? I'm the opposite. I can't stand being cold.
Different strokes, I guess. What about you? Do you like winter sports?
I love skiing. That's the one good thing about winter.
Me too. Finally, something we agree on.
See, we found common ground.
Common ground means something you both like or agree on. Now, let's talk about favorite things.
What's your favorite? It's a very common question.
What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite color? What's your favorite season? What's your favorite restaurant?
Repeat, what's your favorite movie? What's your favorite color? What's your favorite season? What's your favorite restaurant?
To answer, you can say,
My favorite movie is The Shawshank Redemption. I don't have one favorite. I like many. It's hard to choose, but probably my favorite season is fall because of the colors.
repeat. My favorite movie is The Shawshank Redemption. I don't have one favorite. I like many. It's hard to choose, but probably my favorite season is fall because of the colors.
Let's talk about favorites.
Daniel, what's your favorite season?
Definitely autumn. I love the crisp air and the changing leaves. You?
Summer for sure. I love long days and warm weather.
What's your favorite thing to do in summer?
Going to the beach, having barbecues with friends, reading outside.
That sounds wonderful. What's your favorite beach?
There's a small beach about an hour from here. It's never too crowded. I love it.
I'll have to ask you for the name sometime.
Notice how one favorite led to more questions.
Favorite season led to favorite summer activities, then favorite beach.
Now, let's fix some common mistakes.
Mistake number 1. I like very much pizza.
Word order is wrong.
Correct. I like pizza very much. Or I really like pizza.
Mistake number 2. I enjoy to cook.
After enjoy, we use verb plus ing.
Correct. I enjoy cooking.
Mistake number 3. I don't like cold weather. Me too.
Me neither is correct, but some learners say me too for negatives.
If someone says, I don't like cold weather, you say, me neither, agreeing with the negative.
If someone says, I like summer, you say, me too, agreeing with the positive.
Mistake number 4. I prefer tea than coffee.
We don't use than with prefer.
Correct. I prefer tea to coffee. Or I like tea more than coffee.
Let's practice. I like pizza very much. I enjoy cooking. Me neither. I prefer tea to coffee.
Perfect.
Now, here are some idioms about likes and dislikes.
To be into something.
This means to be interested in something.
Example, I'm really into photography these days.
To have a soft spot for something.
This means to like something, often for sentimental reasons.
Example, I have a soft spot for old black and white movies.
Not my cup of tea.
This means it's not something you like.
Example, reality TV isn't really my cup of tea.
To be obsessed with something.
This means to like something extremely.
Example, she's obsessed with that new TV show.
To drive someone crazy.
This means to strongly dislike something that annoys you.
Example, loud chewing drives me crazy.
Repeat. Into something. Have a soft spot for. Not my cup of tea. Obsessed with. Drive me crazy.
Before we finish, let's review.
We learned how to express likes. I like, I love, I enjoy.
We learned how to express dislikes. I don't like, I hate, I'm not a fan of.
We learned how to ask about likes. Do you like? What do you think about?
We learned how to talk about preferences. I prefer to, I like better than.
We learned how to agree and disagree politely.
We talked about favorites. What's your favorite?
We fixed common mistakes.
And we learned some fun idioms.
That's a lot of useful language.
Here's your challenge for today.
Tell someone about 3 things you like and 1 thing you don't like.
It can be a friend, family member, or even yourself in the mirror.
For example, I love reading, I enjoy hiking, I'm obsessed with coffee, and I hate waking up early.
Perfect example.
Say it out loud. Practice the pronunciation.
The more you practice, the more natural it becomes.
If you're learning alone, write your sentences and read them out loud.
Now, go to the comments.
Tell us 3 things you like and 1 thing you don't like.
For example, I love traveling, I enjoy cooking, I'm into yoga, and I don't like cold weather.
We'd love to know more about you.
And if this episode helped you,
Please subscribe to English Dialogue Studio.
hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson.
We post new English conversations every day.
Next time, we'll talk about another everyday topic.
You'll have to come back to find out.
Until next time, keep practicing,
Keep learning.
keep speaking English.
Thanks for joining us at English Dialogue Studio.
Bye, everyone.
See you soon.